I want to make an additional point this evening about Rahkeem Cornwall and his contribution to the impressive series win against Bangladesh. You all realize that this 300-pounder from Antigua, by his performances in this test series, has destroyed the relevance and credibility of the fitness protocols set for international players by the West Indies Cricket Board. These fitness standards were basically tweaked, altered, and indeed lowered to accommodate Rahkeem Cornwall because of his low levels of traditional fitness. Yet, the same man comes out and outperforms all of the traditionally fit players. That means the fitness standards set by the West Indies Board don't make no sense. Yes, the fitness standards are redundant, hypocritical, and irrelevant. Rahkeem Cornwall has proven that a player does not have to be slim and trim and fit by traditional standards to perform at the highest level. So the fitness standards and protocols make no sense. And all those players disqualified from selection on fitness grounds should be reinstated. Not only did Rahkeem Cornwall beat and embarrass his critics, who say him too fat and blah, blah, blah. He beat and embarrassed the West Indies Cricket Board and their farcical fitness standards. Yes, yes, yes. Beat them, Rahkeem. Beat them, 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 beat them.